Welcome back. I'm Yvonne Ryan, here with my brilliant co-host, Heather Ladd, and this is part 3 of our series on media bias. Today we're kicking off a brand new segment we're calling At Your Request.
That's right. This is going to be fun and super useful. Here's how it works. You send us articles, headlines, viral clips, anything that made you go, wait, is that even true? And we'll walk you through how to analyze it using the tools we shared in part 2.
So, exactly, and think of it as your personal news fact-check hotline. Except, instead of just Googling, we'll show you a step-by-step how to evaluate bias, reliability, and accuracy.
So let's walk through a sample. Say you see a headline that says, Congress quietly votes to slash federal pensions. That would understandably cause panic, especially for federal employees.
But here's what we do. First, check the source. Is it a credible outlet? Then we go to ground news to see if other media outlets are reporting it and how they're reporting it. Also, we would check ad fortis, which to see where the outlet lands and the reliability of it.
That's right. And next we'll look at the date. Is this a new proposal or something from 5 years ago being recycled? Is it an actual vote or just a drafted bill that hasn't passed any committees yet?
Now here's another example. You see a clip on social media with someone saying, your thrift savings plan will be seized by the government. Now, that's pretty terrifying. But we've seen variations of rumors like this circulate during election cycles. And most of the time, it's based on a misinterpretation or a flat-out media makeup line.
And that's why we're doing this segment. We want you to feel empowered, not manipulated. When you know how to slow down and verify, stay calm, confident, and in control.
And don't worry, we're not here to judge. If something has tripped you up or made you question things, you're not alone. We're here to help. So send us your headlines, articles, clips to the email in the description or drop them in the comments. We'll feature a few upcoming videos and clarify things.
And if you missed part 2, that's where we introduce ground news and ad fonts media, 2 of our favorite tools. We even have a link where you can download your own copy of the media bias chart, this right here, for free. So shoot us a message and we'll send it your way. This series has been such a joy to share with you.
And we hope it's helped you feel a little less overwhelmed and a little more informed. Media doesn't have to be a maze. You just need the right flashlight.
And the right friends.
Us.
That's right. Thank you for being part of our community. Like, subscribe, and share with someone who could use a little clarity in their newsfeed.
And that's it for now. We're your retirement BFFs.
Best fiduciary friends.
And we're always here to help you cut through the noise and find the facts. See you next time.